Guys, in this video we will learn how to use Apexcharts in Laravel application. So we will use area chart and display month-wise register users. So let's get started with the example. So you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and set up the database. And you can go to my PHP admin. You can see that there is already run the migrations and created the users table. If I click on it, they already created some dummy users month-wise, so we can display proper chart. So let me create the controller first. Okay, so let me go here and I will say PHP artisan Mac controller and I will say user controller. Okay, and now if I go here and let me create one route over here, so I will say route and I will say get route and then say users user controller colon class and I will say index method and save it, and let me use the namespace over here. So I will say user controller, simply save it. Now let me go here and create the index method into the user controller. So I will say return, and here I will simply return the blad file. Okay, so I will say users, save it, and let me go to the resources and views and I will say users.blad file. So I will say users.blad.php. Okay, and here I am going to use bootstrap. So you can see that bootstrap cdn and there is a card design. So I will say Apex charts example. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now let me run the application. Okay, so php artisan and serve. Okay, and now let me go here and okay, and if I go here and let me run the users route. Okay, you can see that that's already running. So let me go here and first of all go to the apex chart.js. Okay, and you can see that this is the official website, and let me go here and I will call docs. Okay, and here you can see that we can directly use we can use the npm as well, so you can install like this way, and if you want to use directly cdn then we can use this one. So I will simply copy it. Okay, and go here and I will simply use the cdn for this example. Okay, and now if I go here and I will say chart type, so I will go and I will use the area chart. Okay, and then I will use, if I go here there is already simple example, so you can see that I will simply go to the js code and I will simply copy the entire code. Okay, for the option, so I will say script and paste it. Okay, so you can see here this is the simple area chart, and with the you can see the chart div. Okay, so that render into the chart. Okay, so you can read the documentation of the like a Apexcharts chart, like that define what is the data like labels, series and fields and all the things. Okay, so in this example I am going to do simple way. Okay, so I will say id with the chart. Okay, simply save it, and now let me run the project. Okay, it's already running, so let me refresh it, and you can see that how easily January and like 4th 5 and day wise. Now what we need to do, like what number of registered user in the month, like January month has a 5 or February has a 6 or something like that, we need to represent over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply go here and simply get the users. So I will say users, and then I will say users select, and I will use db colon row, and I will use count MySQL function. Okay, and simply as a count, and then I will use db row and I will use month name MySQL function, and I will get from the created at column, and then I will say month underscore name. Okay, and then I will only get the current year data, so I will use the where condition. So I will say created at, and then I will simply use the dat function of the php simply, and then I will use group by. So month wise I will get the number of registered users, so I will use again db row and I will use mysql month function. It's from the created at, and then I will use pluck method, so I just need count and the month name. Okay, so I will say count will be the value and month will be the key. Okay, so month name, and I will just use two arrays, so I will get on pure array. So I will simply get dt and I will say users. Okay, simply save it. Okay, now let me use the model over here like user, and also let me use db as well. Okay, simply save it. Okay, And now let me go and refresh it. Okay, okay, I got the error, like there is a group by default, that's not allowed into the MySQL. So what you need to do, if I go here into the config and database, and you can see that here is the strict engine true, so I just need to make it false, simply save it. Okay, and hit refresh. You can see that I got like January has a 2 users, February has a 2, March has a 1, same thing October has a 14 registered user. So we just need to display into the area chart. So what I need to do, simply pass this variable into the blade file. Simply I will say compact. Okay, and if I go to the blade file, here I will simply get it. So I will say where data keys, and I will use the JSON directive and array underscore keys function. So it will only get the keys like January, February, the name from the users variable. Okay, and then another I will say data values, and I will use again JSON attribute, and I will use underscore values function, and then I will say users, simply save it. Okay, and now first let me check it. Okay, console.log, and I will say data keys, and then I will say data values. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go and refresh it. Okay, I will go to the inspect element. If I go console, you can see that I already getting, you can see January, February. So what we need to do here, you can see that January 1 2 3, that means that is the label. So what I need to do, this key should be go here, like you can see that categories. So I will simply add that array over here, and this is the series, that means the number of data. So I will simply use this value over here, and you can see that here is say series 1. So instead of series I will use like register users. Okay, and save it. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see that like register user October, you can see September is a 4. So you can see how easily you can use the Apex chart. Like you can see this is the area chart, but you can use line chart, bar chart, and pie chart as well. So you can see how easily it's displaying properly. So if you guys understand this video and if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.